How to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone. To turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Settings on your iPhone. From here, you can make all the primary changes on your iPhone. Then, scroll down a little and tap on the Sounds and Haptic option. Once you're in, you can change your ringtone and even set the volume manually from here. The volume buttons can also be used to adjust the volume of the ringtones and alerts. Now, scroll down and go to the keyboard feedback option. Then, you need to toggle off the sound option from here. Now, your keyboard won't make any sound while you're typing. There you go, you have successfully turned off the sound of your keyboard. So by following these simple steps, you can easily turn off keyboard sounds on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.